Hello everyone, and in today's video we are going to start applying the plaster on bedroom walls, and we finished the living room walls. As you can see, we finished the living room walls, and it's a master bedroom, and we are going to first install the level guides in order to make them straight. And first I washed all these walls. Now I installed the bolts for the level guides, and as you can see, this is our master bedroom, and the level guides on these walls. And I already installed the points for the level guides as we did before. I showed in our previous videos how to install these bolts. You can't use everything, but I used to install bolts for the guide. To start the level guides, I'm going to remove the dust with the PVA compound, mix it and add some water. Okay, we have a bucket here, and I mix it and about 100 gram. Those are 10 liters. Okay, let's mix it. And I'm going to remove dust from the ball, but I will apply only where I will install the guides. Okay, let's okay, now I'm going to mix plaster with the gypsum. Okay, let me show you how close distance, how I do that. Okay, I add water about 3 liters, and we'll add a plaster and 50% of plaster and 50% of gypsum. And be careful about this compound, because the gypsum dries very quick, and you have to add a plaster the same amount because it might dry very quick, and we don't want to waste the material. Let's do it. Compound we should wash the profile there. Do this wall like this and apply gypsum and plaster compound like this.
Çıxardım əlimdə tutum. Çıxardım əlimdə tutum.
Bir daha mı söyle? Just slowly turn it on these bolts and you will feel the bolts. It's touching here. Let me show you how it looks. I see here. Okay, let's put on a bolt like this. And the same thing, I'm going to check the top side. Okay, looks good. And to be in the minimum profile and a few movements like this. Okay, now make sure that your 90-degree angle from here and we are going to remove these remains of plaster.